Alright, this is my buddy Shawshank.
What's up?
My cousin Daywalker. About to do Irish car bombs. You gotta sink it. Try not to chip your teeth. Fuck your mama, bitch!
Fuck your mom.
You want to get a bowl with 10 tablespoons of butter in it. And you want to take 1 cup of Guinness and add to it. I'm going to put that in the microwave and get it all melty, and then I'm going to mix it together. I'm going to whisk that up really good. Get that mixed together. In another bowl, you want to put 2 eggs, 3/4 of a cup sour cream, and a tablespoon of vanilla. You want to mix that together good. Then you want to take your butter and your Guinness. You want to mix this in there. And you want to mix that really good. Now you're going to add 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened cocoa. Two cups of sugar. You're going to whisk that around, get it blended well. Probably should have got a bigger bowl. Now you got 2 cups of flour, 2 1/4 teaspoons of baking soda, you're going to mix this all together. Mix it real well. You got the Guinness in the cake. You got the Bailey's Irish cream and the icing. It's an Irish car bomb cake. Alright, you want to get a pan, you want to butter it. I put a little oil down, rub it around, put a piece of parchment paper, I take it, cut it out. That way it comes off clean. You put it in your pan. Alright, you preheat your oven, 350. You want to bake this till it rises. Then you want to take it out and let it cool for about an hour. Put it in there on 350 degrees till it rises. Get a toothpick, stick down in it, pull it out. That'll be a while from now. Alright, I'm going to make the frosting. I'm going to get some Bailey's Irish cream. My boy old Greg loves Bailey's. Every time he's around, he drinks the shit out of it. He even drink it out of a boot. And we'll take 1/2 cup of Bailey's Irish cream. Put it in a bowl. 1 cup of ice cold milk. Then you want another 1/2 cup of ice cold milk. I'm gonna make a mousse. It's gonna be a mousse frosting. It's gonna be light, airy, and delicious. 1 packet of vanilla pudding. You want to whisk the shit out of this and put it in the fridge for about 5 minutes. Get it good and whisk. Alright, I had to get ready Whip because the coronavirus stays out of fucking Cool Whip. Cocksuckers. Fucking coronavirus bullshit. Smack it on the table and suck some air out of it. You get high, bitch. I got a second can. There you want it real light. That whipped cream in there. All right, get your cake out. Chicken, whoa! Get your cake out. We're gonna finish our frosting now, and we're gonna frost this cake.
That looks so much better.
Is anybody else hungry?
Fuck your red-headed mama, bitch!
Look.
Fuck your ass. I got a dick on my hand. I got a dick on my hang on.
Hey, give me my dick back!
You can have
Look at that. That thing is big.
She's a hoper, dude. Everybody gets a dick.
Yeah, why did he eat
Everybody gets a dick.
Wash it off.
I licked the head.
Fuck your mama. Used to hang out with Bill Cosby, and he taught me this shit.
extra quaaludes?
My dude, old Greg, loves this fucking cake.
Eat my dick, bitch!
Shawshank got a dick too.
Greg!
That's a
I'm a scaly manfish. All right, we gotta get a video of you guys trying this cake. This is as close to Bailey's as you can get without getting your eye wet.
It's not. It didn't work.
I had sex with a meth addict last night.
I'm about to get fucked up on cake. Shots!
Cake.
Berries!
Oh my god! No, that's not.
Oh man, I just came in my own mouth. It's so good.
No, that was me about 20 minutes
Man,
ago.
I'd fuck a hobo for this cake.
Well, it's all let's do this.
Does it taste like Bailey's?
I got some cake.
Shh.
Does it taste like Bailey's?
It does. It tastes
Does it
exactly
taste like
Bailey's.
Guinness?
And not so much. Definitely
I'll
Bailey's
taste the
though.
beer.
Definitely taste the Bailey's. I mean, it is pretty much an Irish car bomb in the form of more fat.
Yeah.
Fucking love it.
Jaywalker.